At a webinar recently, I heard Laura St. James say, there's nothing wrong to say you started your business because you wanted to make money. And that resonated so well with me because sometimes I hear people saying, I want to help people, I want to do this and that. But for me, the reason why I joined this digital marketing program, the first reason, honestly, is to make money. And I believe as I make money, then I'm able to be impactful to others and show them the blueprint that I have followed, which has enabled me to make X, Y results. So when she said that, I was so excited because I felt like, oh, so I'm not being selfish when I say I actually want to make money out of this digital marketing program. And the money definitely is always pegged to something. It could be to get out of debt, time freedom, holidays. December is coming, there's Christmas. So for whatever reasons that you may want to start a business, just be happy about it. Don't feel like it's a selfish reason to say you want to make money. So you may be out there thinking that you have debt or your retirement is coming up and close and you haven't prepared for it. I'm here to encourage you to say, would you consider looking at digital marketing? And of course, joining a program that has step-by-step training, a warm community, and the community I belong to, oh my goodness, it's amazing. And it has built my faith when I see so many people winning and they post their winnings in the group, and to see the transformations that have happened in people's lives. So that gives me a believability that the same can happen for me and will happen for me if I follow the step-by-step. And being mentored by a millionaire, I think now she's already doing 2 million in 2 years in US dollars. And therefore I am set up for success. So would you want to join me in this journey? I'll be doing 30 videos in the next 30 days. So feel free to join and follow my journey. Comment, like, and follow. Ask questions. And if you'd like the blueprint, do comment blueprint and I'll give you the details. Thank you and bye-bye.